Hi everybody and welcome to my video today. My name is Marco and today I want to introduce to you two nice robots from JJRC. First of all we have the man CADY and then we have the female CADY. So these two robots today we're gonna unbox and we're gonna see what they can do. So let's start. So let's start with the unboxing of the boxes. So let's do that and let's see what we can find inside. So here we have the man. So it comes together with the remote controller. There she is. And again coming with remote controller. So there they are, our two robots. So they're coming with the remote controller, as you can see. The USB charger, which can be charged by your computer and charged by putting it in their belly. And it comes with the manual, which is fully in English and explained very well, also easy for kids to understand how the robot works exactly. So the same can be found in the package, other package of course. So let's take that out also at this side. So let's now have a look at the robot itself. So what are the features? First of all, at the back of the robot we can find some loudspeakers which output a very loud and good sound. So the robot can speak, which we can see later, and for kids it's very understandable because the speakers are very loud. The eyes of the robots are LED lighting, which will go on once the robot starts. To start the robot we have the power button at this side. We have some sensors. For example, if the robot is going around and comes to some wall, he will sense the wall and turn around. And also we can do some movement with your hand, forward, backwards. Later I will show you this also. Furthermore, the charging put, and we have the very flexible arms and fingers. We have the wheels, the skating wheels, which make him go forward, backwards, and can make him dance, for example, which you also will see later. So that's the robot itself. So let's now go on with how to control it. It's a very easy to control robot. So we have this transmitter, which can make him do many actions, such as a demo, which we will start later yet, and he will show what kind of action he can do. Patrol, he will walk around and the kid can follow him, for example. Dance, he will do some dance, have different kind of dancing options. And music, also different kind of music options. With this button you can program himself. For example, you want him to go forward, backwards, left, right. You can program as you want. And then last we have this button, which will make him talk some robotic talking, which we'll also see later in the demo, for example. Then the buttons here are of course forward, backward, left, right, and this one is forward walking and backwards walking. So I would say, now that we know everything about the robot, the transmitter, let's see how they work. Okay guys, to test the robot I choose the boy, CADY, so let's see what he can do and let's start him up.
Hello buddy, I'm your new partner, Airlock. I have a lot of skills. I can sing and dance. Yo ho my friends, come on! Let's rock and roll! Music!
So we'll do some dancing. Which also can be easily stopped.
Stop!
So by stopper it will stop doing the action you are doing at that moment. And you can put him back in his position. So let's see some other action he can do. For example, let's do the demo and let's see what kind of action he can do. Let's start that. Demo.
Receive the order. Immediately execute it. Forward. Backward. Slide forward. Slide
almost dropped on the table. And this is the robotic talking I was talking about before. So this is the demo. He showed a little bit what he can do, and that's pretty cool, I think. So let's go on with the next one, some music. So let's see what kind of music he has.
Music and relax.
And again, this is easy to stop. And there are many different songs you can choose from. Okay, so let's see him do one more time a little bit of dancing. Let's go.
Let's dance together.
And again, this can be stopped. So that's the dancing part, and also you have many different dancing moves he can do. Another funny option is if, for example, your kid is playing with the robot and you don't play with him for around 20 seconds, he will start to say, "Why are you not playing with me?" Let's show that function. It should be coming soon.
Hi, I'm intelligent robot, Airlock. What's your name?
So he will ask you, "Oh, why are you not playing with me?" And he gives you he wants to have some attention from you. One more option I want to show you is the sound option. So you can choose to put the sound a little bit higher or a little bit lower. So that's also very nice to have. So that's all the options I want to show you of this robot.
I'm so bored.
Oh, he's so bored.
Come on, let's play together.
You can also program him to let you do what you want. So you click on the programming button.
Start programming.
And then you can choose what you want to go forward, backward, right, left, and let him do it.
Execute program. Slide forward. Slide backward. Turn right. Turn left.
So that's pretty cool, right? And the last we have is the forward walking and backward walking. So let him do that. And backward walking.
Backward.
So the last option he has is the patrol option, which I also want to show you. Okay guys, I want to show you the next option, which is the patrol option. So why I put these two boxes? Because as I told you before, we have the obstacle avoidance. So I want to show you how this works. So let's start him patrolling.
Hi, I'm intelligent robot.
There he goes.
I'm very happy today. Let's go on patrol. Please follow me.
As you can see, every time he finds some obstacle, he will turn on the other side.
Don't stand in my way, please. Don't stand in my way, please. Don't stand in my way, stop.
So that's the patrol option, and the patrol option takes around 1 to 1.5 minutes. He will walk around the house, and every time he finds something on his way, he will stop and change the direction. So that's a very nice option of this robot. So guys, that were our two robots. I very enjoyed to review them. They were very fun, and I think they are a great companion for your kids. It's very educational to learn. They speak, they can dance, it's fun, and they have a playing time of 16 minutes once fully charged. The charging time is around 120 minutes, so you can play many hours with these robots. So if you're interested in having them, please find the link below. And yeah, I would say thank you for watching my review, and I would like to see you next time in my video. Bye!